In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test your microphone on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select sound. And then scrolling down again underneath your input section, select your microphone. And then scrolling down again, there should be a microphone test button. So you can go ahead and start the test. And then when you're done, you can stop the test and you can adjust additional settings here, or even record a sample to see how your audio sounds. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.